These tiny glass marbles may look simple at first glance, but in reality, they are just as fascinating and mesmerizing. The colorful patterns inside them attract everyone's attention, as if a miniature world has been trapped within. They are no longer just part of a game. They have also found their place in various industrial sectors. During their production, molten glass is carefully handled at extremely high temperatures and skillfully shaped with great precision. But have you ever wondered how these perfectly round, shiny, and colorful glass marbles are actually made? Today, we will uncover this secret by visiting a few glass manufacturing factories and the workshop of an expert artisan. The history of these glass marbles is very old. According to archaeologists, similar objects were used in ancient Egypt, and traces of them are also found in Greek and Roman civilizations. In the beginning, these marbles were sometimes part of religious rituals and sometimes used in simple games. Over time, these small marbles became a popular game for both children and adults. Initially, they were made from materials like clay, stone, and marble. But as technology advanced, glass became the most preferred material. This is due to its strength, low cost, and especially its ability to be shaped into colorful and unique designs. The game of marbles is actually a combination of skill, precision, and strategy, where every move must be carefully planned. Aiming accurately is the true essence of this game. Over centuries, different regions and cultures adapted it in their own way, which led to variations in playing styles and throwing techniques. This simple game gradually became a tradition worldwide. Today, most glass marbles are made from recycled glass, collected from old bottles, jars, and other used items. These pieces are first carefully sorted, separating metals, plastics, and other unwanted materials. After that, the glass pieces are separated according to color, since each color affects the final design and appearance of the marble. In modern factories, this process is done by automated machines, where special sensors precisely identify and sort different materials to ensure uniform quality. Once the glass is fully cleaned and organized, it is sent to large industrial furnaces where it melts into a glowing liquid form. This is the stage where the real transformation begins, and random glass fragments start taking a new shape. Inside the furnace is a special chamber made of heat-resistant materials. Gas burners continuously raise the temperature, reaching hundreds of degrees. As the heat increases, the glass goes through different stages. It first softens, then gradually melts and merges together until it becomes a uniform, glowing liquid. Once the glass is completely melted, even the air bubbles inside it disappear, and it turns into a thick, glowing, and uniform liquid. This molten glass is then transferred through special heat-resistant channels to the next stage, where the actual craftsmanship begins. In many factories, this liquid glass flows continuously and is immediately cut into small sections using a special cutting system. This cutting happens extremely fast, where a strong carbon blade continuously slices the flowing glass into equal parts. Each cut piece becomes the base of a new marble. The blade's speed and timing are adjusted according to the size of the marble. After that, these soft and hot pieces are sent to rotating metal rollers. In another method, special molds with round surfaces are used, constantly vibrating so the glass keeps moving inside them. As soon as the hot glass touches these rollers or molds, it begins to rotate naturally. Surface tension of the glass helps it form a perfect spherical shape. To create internal designs, a small amount of colored glass is added into the furnace. While in liquid form, it is stretched and twisted, creating unique patterns inside each marble, such as the famous cat's eye design. When these marbles leave this stage, they are still extremely hot and soft. At this stage, the glass marbles are at a temperature of around 500 degrees Celsius. Their shape is already formed, and the outer surface is strong enough to roll without breaking, but the inside is still extremely hot. After leaving the machines, they slide down metal slopes into cooling areas where they are collected in heat-resistant containers. Although they appear solid, their temperature is still high enough to cause damage on contact. The cooling process is very slow and carefully controlled, taking around 24 hours to complete. During this time, the internal heat gradually escapes without causing stress in the glass. Cooling happens from the outside inward, preventing sudden temperature differences. If cooling happens too quickly, the outer surface may shrink while the inside remains hot, causing cracks or internal stress. Once completely cooled, the marbles go through sorting and grading. They are separated according to size, using specially designed tracks and measurement systems to ensure standard dimensions. They are then carefully inspected for defects, such as cracks, irregular shapes, or poor internal design. In modern factories, this is done by automated machines, while smaller units do it manually. Finally, approved marbles are categorized by color, quality, and type before moving to their final destination. The final stage is packaging, where the glass marbles pass through counting systems to ensure a fixed number in each batch. They are then packed into bags, boxes, or jars for distribution worldwide. Alongside industrial production, some marbles are still handcrafted by skilled artists who treat each piece as a work of art. In this artistic process, thin rods of colored glass are used and melted with a high-temperature torch until they become soft. These glass threads are carefully twisted and layered in different directions, creating delicate geometric patterns inside. This technique is called reticello, where a beautiful net-like structure is formed with perfectly intersecting lines. As the glass continues to rotate, the artisan shapes it into a perfect sphere using hand tools. The intricate internal design is then sealed inside a transparent glass layer. The result is a unique marble that is different every time, like a small glass jewel. It is not just a toy, but an artistic creation, both beautiful and valuable. Thus, the journey from simple glass fragments ends in a true work of art. In this way, tiny glass particles transform into perfectly shaped spheres through a process involving extreme heat, precision, and human skill. These marbles continue to be part of children's games, decoration, and memories across generations. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it with friends, and comment where you are watching from and how you like this story. Subscribe to our channel Metrixor and press the bell icon so that you can get notifications of every upcoming video. See you in the next good video. Until then, God bless.